developing stronger legs is relatively easy to do. So you want to start with the squats, ideally barbell squats and deadlifts. So barbell deadlifts. So you're going to get the front, the anterior chain of the legs and the posterior chain of the legs. You want to train in the 1 to 5 rep range, roughly 2 to 5 sets. And then once you have got those in a workout, ideally not in the same workout. So split it up where one workout has squats and one workout has deadlifts. Then you'd want to add in a secondary movement like lunges. So barbell lunges, and then also some kind of hip extension variation, such as barbell hip extension. And also, if the goal is strength, the reason you want to use the barbell is because you can lift the most weight over, say, dumbbells or machines, while also stimulating the most muscle. So, for example, if you're using a machine, it's going to be doing some of the work for you, even a leg press machine. So that's why the barbell variation is favored over machines, in my opinion and in my experience.